Yeah, drop, hey, huh.
Yo, what's up guys, this is Wethans and today we're playing Hijacking from PicoCTF, another binary exploitation challenge. So let's go. We need to SSH here with this password. And we are in. We see that in our current directory we have these. Okay, and cat.server. We see, okay, import base64 OS socket and then does some stuff, get host by address IP, alright, and let's see what we've got with sudo -shell. We see that we can only run this command as sudo, alright, and we see that we get this error right here. Okay, so the challenge name is hijacking, that means we should possibly hijack a Python module. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a socket.py because the challenge inside uses import socket. So instead of going to the socket library, it will go to my .py file, and here I'm gonna import subprocess, and then we're gonna do subprocess call. So we actually need to call binsh to spawn shell and -p to keep privileges, def get host by addr, and inside we'll have an x value, let's say, and this will just return picoctf.org and then a null for analysis and the IP like this. So this one will hopefully give us shell without crashing the binary, and let's run it. So it should be like this. And we see that balls. Yeah, okay, that was bad from my side. We should do sudo, of course. And we see that we are root. And if we take a look at the root folder, we see a nice challenge. So cd/cd challenge ls and cat metadata.json. And we see that we get the flag this way. Okay, this challenge was really nice and interesting. It was the first time I did a Python module hijacking, so I found it really interesting. If you also found the video useful and helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you on the next one. Bye.